How can an injured victim who's seriously injured in a bus accident while they're riding a bus bring a personal injury claim in Maryland? Very simple. Bus accident victims, who are usually bus passengers, usually do not know how an accident happened. They're on their phone, they're on their tablet, they're talking to other people on the bus while they're riding on the bus to get to their destination. They will have no idea whether their own bus driver caused an accident, maybe the bus was rear-ended, could be a T-bone incident, a merge lane issue between different motor vehicles, you name it. But more likely than not, the injured victim who's seriously injured while riding the bus will not know whether their bus driver or another motorist caused the accident. It is critical that the injured bus passenger immediately consult and retain an experienced personal injury lawyer to represent them, because the lawyer will have to file a lawsuit against all motorists involved, bus driver and any other drivers that were involved in the accident. The lawyer could also get some critical evidence for the injured victim to help prove their claim in court. One of the major things, specifically for bus accidents, is video surveillance. MTA buses in Maryland and any other public transit buses have cameras inside of the bus and may have cameras outside of the bus to demonstrate exactly how the accident took place. The lawyer will also obtain any police reports, eyewitness statements, and the injured victim's medical records and bills in order to prove and bolster and support the injured victim's claim in court. If you have any questions regarding how an injured victim can bring a serious injury bus accident case in the state of Maryland, feel free to call me. I do this every single day and would love to answer any questions you may have. Thank you.
667 Law John. 667 Law John. 667 Law John.